Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am with a new and special look. So let's get started. For the acne I am using this tea tree and papaya oil. This is from the brand Good Vibes again, my most favorite brand for the skincare. This oil calms your skin and gives you an instant glow. It's a very nice serum for oily skin girls or acne prone skin. Otherwise, it also even reduces the dark spots as it's got papaya in it. And now, as a primer, I'm using this tea tree gel. This is again from the Good Vibes. Guys, just try Good Vibe products. I'm sure you all will love. Love the product, love the quality, love the result. And now for the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation. My shade is Classic Ivory. Guys, guess what? I'm trying something new for this makeup look. I hope you'll appreciate this. Now I'm blending all this well with the pack brush. Guys, this is one of the best foundation for all skin types. It is a full coverage foundation and has a very semi-matte formula. Hello to all my subscribers, wishing you all a very happy new year. And now to set my foundation, I will just dust a very little bit of this MAC Compact. I'm in the shade NC30. As you all can see, I have not applied concealer as it was not required. And here I have just completed my eyebrow. I need not show you all because you all already know how I do my brows. And now starting off with the eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. I have picked the light peach color and just applying it all over my lid. Guys, just blend it well so that everything looks even. I want to tell you all one thing. I'm not using any camera or something to shoot my videos. I usually just shoot it from my phone itself. So guys, sometimes I might have the issue with the camera's clarity, so just please cooperate with me. And here I am just making a basic wing liner with this Colossal eyeliner. Guys, I've also made a separate short video on how to draw a perfect wing liner, so you all can have a check. And here comes the game changer. Guys, I had seen this kind of look very long back somewhere, and I just wanted to do something special for this new year, so I thought of trying this look. And this is called the Rhinestone makeup look. Here I've just put on my lashes using the Miss Claire glue, and I also have a separate video on how to fix your false lashes. And now using a dark brown shade with a cotton bud, I'm just applying it under the lid. It's nice and very easy to use the cotton bud to smudge your underline. And now just pushing my false lashes upward. I'll be using the Essence mascara. I love the wand, it is so huge. And now mixing my lashes with the falsies so that everything looks even. Guys, you all can even use these kind of Swarovski bindis to apply it like a liner just on the liner itself, but I like to do it this way. It looks very different, and I don't know, somehow it just suited me so well. I especially want to thank my viewers, whoever watches my video. I know you guys watch my video, but please yaar subscribe. I also need your likes and comments. Please do motivate me. And now to bronze my face, I had taken this Wet n Wild bronzer. It is a beautiful shade, and yes, I'm not contouring it very harshly, but I'm just trying to bronze my face so that everything looks very nice. My viewers and my subscribers, please, I need your support. So please do comment on my channel so that I can come up with some more new videos which you guys are interested in. Guys, I love to teach you all and share my knowledge to you all about makeup and skincare. So please do support me. Guys, this palette is not from India, and I love the shade of these. Very long back I had got it from Dubai, and you all can see how pigmented it is. But otherwise you all can use any blush on. I had this from long time and I did not use this palette, so today I just felt like using this, and it has beautiful shades. And today for the lips, I'm using this Wet n Wild Coral lipstick. It's a liquid matte lipstick. The formula of this lipstick is really nice. You all can try any of the shade according to your choice. But for this eye look, I wanted to go something very basic and very neutral so that it looks very subtle. With this eye look, I wanted the lips to be little soft so that the eyes highlight everything. And now I'm using this Colorbar silver eyeliner inside the eye as a kajal today. By using these kind of shades, your eyes look bright and awake. Guys, it is the glow time, and for this I'm using the Flower Beauty Trio palette. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. Guys, the formula is so like the buttery soft. So soft. Guys, if you like this all-in-one palette, please do try. And there is also a palette from Faces, which is one of my most favorite palette. It is with the contour, blush and highlighter, all in one, easy to carry, easy to travel with, and superb. Now comes the confusion time, girls. I am always confused what to wear. This color, which color? Okay, let me go with these stone earrings today, and here it comes. You all can do any kind of hairstyle or leave it open, but for the girls who don't like to keep their hair open, you all can tie it this way and still it looks stunning. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and once again a many happy new year to all my viewers and subscribers.